Hey, I'm Anthony with Bambiz, and welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about something we hear all the time from attorneys. I know I should be doing video ads, but I don't have the right setup, or I want to record something, but it has to be perfect first. If that sounds familiar, take a deep breath, because we're here to tell you, you don't need a fancy camera, a production crew, or a perfectly lit office to create videos that work. In fact, the best performing ad videos we've seen from estate planning and elder law attorneys are often the simplest ones. So today, we're breaking down why low-tech videos connect better and how you can confidently hit record without overthinking it. Let's start with the most important part. Authenticity builds trust. When people are looking for help with estate planning or elder law, they're not looking for a fancy ad. They're looking for someone who feels real, someone they can trust to guide them through personal, often emotional decisions. That's why selfie-style videos recorded right from the phone can make such an impact. These videos feel more like a conversation than a commercial. You're showing up as a person first, not just a professional. And that's what makes potential clients want to learn more. Now let's talk about the setup. We promise you already have everything you need. Grab your smartphone, find a spot with good natural light, standing near a window usually does the trick. Prop your phone up at eye level or hold it steady and just speak directly to the camera. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to feel like you. Think about what you'd say to someone if they stopped you after a workshop and asked, "How do I get started?" That's the tone you're going for. Clear, helpful, and conversational. And here's the thing, waiting for the perfect time to film usually means the video never gets made. We see it all the time. Attorneys waiting until they get new office furniture, or until they feel more camera ready, or until someone else can film it for them. But what actually works, hitting record now. Getting comfortable with being yourself on camera and just putting it out there. Record a few takes. Choose the one where you sound the most natural and upload it. The connection it creates with your audience will go a lot further than you think. And if you're thinking, this all sounds good, but I still want help running ads that actually get results, that's where we come in. You can schedule a free 15-minute call with our team at bambiz.net to see how we can help you get your next ad campaign up and running without needing a film crew or fancy tech. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our new videos. Have a question? Drop a comment down below and someone from our team will reach out. We're here to help you grow your firm one family at a time.